Hi, my name is Aryan Malhotra and I'm a class 12 student at Venkateshwar Global School, and I have been enrolled with Athastu for over 2 years now. I approached them in the summer break of class 11th when I was looking for an institute to prepare myself for the SATs, and with dedicated practice and the support material that Devendra sir provided me, I managed to score 1530 on my SATs in August 2020. Although I didn't enroll for the subject test, but I received a lot of help and practice documents from Devendra sir for the subject test, and I managed to score perfect 800s in physics, chemistry, and as well as math too. Luckily, I didn't have to, search for other institutes to start my undergraduate application process. I could just enroll with Tathastu because I trusted Devendra sir, to a significant extent, and I got enrolled with them in the summer break of 12th, which I would say is pretty late. So you should get enrolled for this purpose as soon as possible because the task of writing essays and finalizing them and making your own profile and finally applying to college, it's very tedious and time consuming. It takes months to complete. So it takes a lot of time. Each essay it undergoes 4 to 5 edits at least before you can finalize it. The lengthiest essay that I wrote was the Common App essay, and it literally took 9 edits to finalize it before I could complete it. Apart from all this work of selecting, uh, the essays and finalizing them, the most challenging part is selecting the schools in which you will apply to, because there are tens of thousands of schools in the US and in Canada or wherever you're applying to. So you need to select some schools which meet your requirements. And I had help from Devendra sir and the team of Tathastu located in the US, which provided me a list of schools that they thought would be the best match for me. And honestly, I selected 80% of the schools in that list, and it was they were of pretty much help. The help that the Tathastu provided me was not just limited to essays and schools and stuff like this. They even helped me with my letters of recommendation. So how it works is that these are written by your subject teachers, but it is necessary for you to know which subjects you need. uh, I myself am applying to study computer science, so I needed mathematics and computer science. And Devendra sir helped me decide this, and as well as he told me on what content should be in an LOR, what content makes an LOR stand apart. So he guided me through all of that, and I informed my subject teachers regarding this. So you see, it's a tedious process, and this LOR thing itself took 2 to 3 weeks to complete, but I received outstanding results. And the best part about the Thastu, it was its the accessibility. Most counselors are not available 24 hour. They'll schedule you a particular time, in which you can call them and get your queries addressed. But this was not the case with Devendra sir. I remember like texting him 4 in the morning, and I received a reply within the next 5 hours. So he's very accessible, and he's really flexible in terms of timings, and you can like get your doubts resolved almost immediately. This is just one example among many other examples in which he helped me, and it's now end of January, and I have successfully applied in over 22 to 24 schools, I guess, and I even have received admits from Michigan State University and Ohio State University. And apart from that, I've received 60% scholarship from Michigan State. Devendra sir once told me that he'll be in contact with me till the very moment I set foot in my college. And I now can say that I believe him for sure, because you see, it's been 2 years I have been in contact with him, and he has started planning and telling me on what lies ahead. So the team in the US and Devendra sir, they both will help me selecting one college into which I will finally set foot into. And also he told me like how I need to prepare myself and what exactly are they expecting from me. So he provides you all the help you need, and I'll say that in terms of cost, Tathastu is pretty much value for money, and they stand by what they say. So I'll definitely recommend any student to consider Tathastu for this undergraduate applications process. I wish you all the very best.